you, boys and girls. Oh my gosh, I've missed you so much. It's hard to believe that after this week, there's only 1 week of virtual classes left. So your summer is very close to beginning, and I hate that we have not been able to be together. So I'm thinking we need to do a Google Meet one day this week. I miss you guys so very much. I know it was a kind of a rainy, wet weekend. I hope you were able to get out a little bit, maybe. Maybe even you were able to see a rainbow after some of the rain and the sun came out. I think Riley sent me a picture of a rainbow that she saw after doing our science experiment on Friday with rainbows. I loved the videos and pictures that you guys sent. So thank you. All right. I will tell you that my neighbor is cutting down a tree, so you may hear a lot of trucks and saws and a whole lot of noise going on. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So today is Monday, April the 27th, 2020. 2020. So let's take a look at our reading for today. First task, I'd like for you to watch the video, Seashore Science. And that reminds me of our very first unit in reading when we were doing dinosaurs and we were talking about Mary Annie and she had that poem. If you remember the poem, record yourself and send it to me. I'd love to hear it. So you're going to watch the video and then complete that quiz. Your second task, I want you to listen to the story Where the Wild Things Are. And that is under day 16. Under your second task, I want you to read along with the nonfiction text Where Land Meets Sea. And I forgot to put it on there, but you do have your daily quest. And you have 2 choices. And I will show you those here in just a moment to help you understand that maybe a little bit easier. Your third task, and this is my favorite part of assignments because I love listening to you read. It's the favorite part of the day for me is when I get to hear your reading. So you're going to record yourself reading the story Where Land Meets Sea. Now, be careful. Today in math, we are starting Unit 7. This is a new unit. We're going to be working on money and time and also on reading graphs. So this is a fun unit. All right. So let's look at your assignments. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and go straight to your daily reading quest because it does look a little bit different today. What I've done is I've created the 2 pages that you are to respond on, okay? So your 2 quests are, the first one says, think about how the story ended, where the wild things are. Think about how that ended. The author wants you to rewrite the ending of the story. So you are going to be the author, the co-author of the story, and you're going to rewrite the ending. Okay? So if you choose this quest, then you're going to come over to page 2. And it says use the text tool, which is right here, to rewrite the ending of the story. You click on the text tool, and then you can start your typing. Here is where I tell. Okay, and remember you can edit this. Remember, click the 3 dots. go to Style, take that border off of there. You can change the font, okay, and then move it around so it looks like it's even on the lines, okay. When you're finished, click that check mark. Right, then it will load up that activity. Now I want to go back because I want to edit that activity. So I'm going to go to my journal and edit item. And let's say that I don't want to do that activity. So let me see, I need to move me out of the way here. I'm going to move back down to the bottom. All right, and then I'm going to X out of that. I'm going to hit delete. Okay, and let's see. Click on this. And edit item. It's still in the way here. Whoop, move me around. All right, I'm going to edit the item. All right, so let's say the second quest says, what is one fact you already knew about the nonfiction text? So what's one fact that you already know about where the land meets the sea? So what's one fact you already know before you even read? What's one thing that you know? So, and then what's one fact that you learned? So we're going to go to the third page and then use the text tool here and tell one fact you knew about the text before reading. Then tell me one new fact you learned after reading the text. Okay? All right, I'm going to delete that. Okay, and let's look at our next activity. All right, on the first task, Seashore Science, if the link that's on the picture does not work, okay, you can click on this link here, and if that doesn't work, let me know and I'll send you a different one. The same thing with your second task, because I think this is where most of you had trouble last week with the links not working. Okay, you will see that there's the link here, and then there's also a link here, and yours will look a little bit different. But if you have problems, let me know. All right, I've taken up too much of your time this morning. I miss you guys so much, and I've got something really fun coming your way. Have you ever heard of the story Flat Stanley? Well, you're going to hear more about it very soon. Bye, guys. I love you, and I miss you all so, so much.